You remember the first time you rode a bike? You remember, right? Or the very first time you have a car, probably your first kiss, you remember very well, right? Okay. Well, it happens for me that this is going to be my very first video on this channel. Oh my. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you like the little highlight of the knowledge you are going to be sharing on this very channel. Coming up, guys. Oh, okay. We didn't have a little intro yet. Okay. Obviously, you guys don't know me. I'm literally nobody to you guys, like for now. But to save you the energy, I'm Jide Jeremiah. Come on, guys. You heard nothing about me. You know nothing about me. Well, but I believe in the very few days now, from now, we'll get to know each other based on the knowledge that I'll start sharing on this channel towards website designing, which widens out like from WordPress, you know, something like Wix, Squarespace, all these mini website stuff. We'll start talking about that, and also on page and off page SEO guys. I'm going to be pumping you guys everything I know, social media management, how to manage a Facebook ads, making a post, and also we will jump to something like, you know, coding, CSS, JavaScript, HTML, making apps, and different types of tutorial like that. We also have our freelancing tutorials on how to work smart and earn big. Seriously guys, this channel is basically something related to website designing and making sure people start making money online in a very nice and smart way. And here's why I'm doing this, guys. Like, to be sincere, I come from a very poor family. No laptop, you know, no power supply, no money to invest or something to inherit. You understand where I'm going, right? I know how it feels exactly, how something like this do feel. That's why I decided to make this channel. I want something like when you face a problem out there and you search the web, either Google, YouTube, Bing, or any search engine out there, you search, I want something like my result should be one of the results that's going to show up there for the right solution. And I just want to be your friend because I actually believe in anyone facing a problem. Like, I believe in you. And actually, I'm doing this, part of why I'm doing this is because someone actually believed in me, and that helped me grow a lot. So now that I also want to help you grow, help me grow more, I believe this is going to be a very big deal, guys. And also, I will need your help. You can actually follow me on maybe Facebook or Instagram or anywhere, but I also need your very help, like right now. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I would need your help to hit the like or the dislike button on the video, like right now, based on how you feel about the video. And also, I want you to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon also. Lastly, this is the most important part. I want you to comment in the section, what you want me to teach you guys first. And I want to understand what you are going through, the pain you are going through, the research you want me to make right now, and create the video solving the problem for you right now. I believe we getting to know each other from now is going to go far. We have a long journey, guys. Thank you all. Peace out.